But yes, Madeira, looking forward to it. Stay tuned. Welcome guys, and welcome to Madeira. First shoot, first location, Madeira's most easterly point, the archipelago in a way. I'm just going to turn you around, but before I do that, I was in a bit of a shock. I actually bumped into somebody. Paul Compton. Hello. Guys. This has not been set up, this is not a workshop. I'm
on holiday.
I'm on holiday as well.
Stalking me.
And I've just bumped into him. Honestly, guys, what a shock to the morning. But let's get on with the photography, and I'll tell you what I'm shooting. Just look at that. Unreal. My settings for this one, I've got a 0.6 gradding for that sky. I'm shooting at f8, f9 at the minute, and 1/6 of a second. Turning out really nicely. Obviously circular polarizing as well. But what a morning. I was hoping for a bit of a cloud action, but there's nothing in the sky really. There is in a bit of distance there with the sun coming up over a bit of cloud there, but I was hoping for a bit more, but you can't have it all. But stunning location, honestly. Big panoramics this morning. Have been shooting around about 7 to 8 stitch this is going to be, but want some lovely detail in these shots. But yes, welcome to Madeira. Time lapse on the go just behind me here, but I'll speak to you in a while guys. Bye for now. Honestly, could not believe it when I bumped into Paul up at the top of the hill where the viewpoint is. He came down, set up his tripod right next to us, and said, do you want me? I was like, Paul? He went, no way. Oh, yes way. Yeah, I couldn't believe it. So just making my way around, scouting some locations. Just going to turn you around, guys. But yeah, look at that. Yeah, so I think I'm done here. I might revisit this place in the next couple of days for sure, because obviously I'd like a bit more clouds on this location. You can see where I was, just up here on the edge here, shooting down, looking over this pinnacle of an outcrop, a bit like Nice Point in a way, but behind me here got some lovely sea stacks, and hopefully this is what I'll be photographing tonight. Paul's down there at the minute, capturing some lovely scenes there. But yes, Madeira, looking forward to it. Well, you can guess where I am now. If you don't know where it is, it's the Fanal forest. I was here yesterday, absolutely got drenched. Some footage of it on the screen for you now. So yeah, I was photographing the witchery tree, but the amount of people here is very much a tourist destination. It is very busy. Best time to visit this place, I would say, first thing in the morning. Nobody here, or obviously at dusk. Yes, so I'm going to pop around, get some different compositions in front of me here. This broken bit of tree here, framing the trees behind it nicely, and you've got a little cow in the background there as well. But looking forward to doing some tree photography. So here we go. See you next composition around Fanal. Bye for now. Well folks, for my next composition here, you can see the tree just behind me here, this like lovely bend in it, and this is all about separation, where I've got the trees, well, this main subject of a tree just here bending round the two trees in the background. Settings for this one, I'm at f9, 1/80th, probably 100th of a second on that, but coming out really sweet. Portrait mode as well, no filters or nothing for this. It is a straightforward shot. That's what's good about the Fanal, really straightforward. See your composition, go for it. Well, that is me done at the Fanal. It's just a quick visit here. Obviously this is very weather dependent. Starting to rain again now, but obviously perfect conditions for the mist as well. Just been framing this tree up behind me here, lovely, and that's me done. Gonna do some seascape now, so see you later. Very busy places, by the way, if you ever do want to visit the Fanal Forest. But like I said, best time in the morning. See you soon. Bye for now. Well, good morning again, and here I am at Ponta do Rosto on the archipelago, in a way, most easterly point on Madeira. I was here last night doing a sunset. I'm here this morning, hopefully capturing some lovely rays of light coming through and lighting up the sea there in front of me. We'll see, and if it does happen, I'm sure I'll speak to you again. Bye for now. Well guys, something is definitely starting to happen now. The clouds are starting to light up in the distance here. I'm just going to swing this about for you now. You can just about see lots of photographers up there on the pinnacle there. But down here, I actually think this works out a better picture. It's more of a balanced picture from the left-hand side of my frame down here. Little pinnacle here, which I stood on yesterday, and then it guides you in from the left-hand side all the way round to the actual sea stack there in the distance. Clouds are nicely lighting up now, so I'm just going to quickly grab this frame, f11, 0.5 of a second, ISO 80, and grab that image. I'm going to zoom it in possibly a bit more and try some different compositions from up here, but you can see where I am. Car park is just there, nice and easy. Look at those clouds, nice. It's what you call easy photography. Just wow, pretty epic. Now if you're ever doing this location, it's worthwhile just hanging around after sunrise, because last night we had a bit of rain, and the rain on the side of the cliffs here just started evaporating and started forming this like mist coming through. I had it all on time lapse, hopefully that's going to come out, but the images and like the cast of rays of light coming through the little like re-entrance in a way down there, but spectacular, really nice. Sorry if I silhouetted myself there, but it was absolutely epic. That's all I can say. Hopefully I can do this place justice where the image is on a little montage at the end, but just wow. So that is me done here. I'm going to move around the island now and see what else I can capture. See you in a while. Bye for now. Okay, welcome to this next place I'm visiting here in Madeira, Cabo Verde. Now, my Portuguese isn't really that good, so apologies if I've pronounced that wrong. Busy place this. This place here is one of the best places apparently for waterfall walks. So waterfalls it is on this nice sunny day deep in the forest. So I will see you there. Well, I'm here, and obviously, as you can see behind me, this massive, huge cascade of a waterfall with a lovely, like a fairy pool. I'm just going to swing myself about for you. With like a fairy pool just right in front of me here, makes a beautiful scene. This waterfall just goes on and on and on and on. I'll bring the camera in a bit closer so you can actually see it in a wee while. This place is very, very busy. I'm just going to grab the camera now for you, bring it in a bit closer, and then I'm going to point it up. It just goes on and on. But beautiful, beautiful views. Look at the colour of that water. Absolutely amazing. Portrait mode for this, f9, 0.8 of a second, and ISO 100 straightforward, and a 0.6 grad soft grad on circular polarizer. Beautiful. Makes a really nice image. I'm going to play around here, but let me just turn this around for you. Give you a quick view. This is how busy it gets. There we go. Beautiful. I am going to push up a bit further. Little cascades right in front of me here. Just push myself around and see if I can get up here and put some different compositions onto that waterfall. But beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Been a pleasure showing you this, guys. I'm going to concentrate on my photography, and if I do manage to get up there, I'll show the images on at the end for you. Bye for now. Well folks, as you can tell, I'm at the iconic site of the sea stacks down at Ponta Muniz. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. It's my second visit to this location. It is far too dangerous to go vlogging down on the coast here. These pebbles are very, very slippery. As you can tell, I'm a little bit wet as well. I got absolutely soaked because a wave came in and literally covered me. Look, I had my camera above me, so that didn't get affected, but luckily enough. But yeah, as you can tell, look at these big waves just crashing in now. Just wait for the nice colours in the sky, then I'm going to concentrate on the photography, and you'll see the images on at the end. But what a place, what a place. I'm going to take you down there, and I'm going to give a little 360. So there you go, this is where I was taking my photographs from, and this is where I'll be for sunset. I was doing a bit of abstract photography earlier and capturing some nice wave action hitting the rocks, but very, very dangerous place to do vlogging and try to operate the camera at the same time. I've got to keep my eye on these waves. They are huge, and I do not want to be hit by one of them against these rocks. So I'm going to concentrate on my photography while I'm here rather than vlog as well. And you'll see the images on at the end, guys. What a place, Madeira. See you soon. Bye for now. Well, the sun is just about setting now. Images coming through the back of my camera are really, really sublime. I have got a 0.9 in, I'm at f16, a 0.6 of a second, and it's just absolutely beautiful location. I'm very, very surprised this has not been vlogged before. Well, I haven't seen it vlogged anyway, this sea arch, but amazing, amazing images coming through, and you'll see these on at the end. In a little tiny montage. Madeira, well, what can I say? I didn't manage to get up into the mountains, up to the white trees, the dead white trees, far too misty, and partially closed the path. So finishing up here on a lovely sunset, time lapse on the go, and if it gets better, I'll get you back on board, guys. But wow, just wow, been amazing. Enjoy the images, guys. Hope you enjoyed my photography little trip in Madeira, and speak to you very soon back in Scotland. Bye for now.